Hi, this is Ani. Ani Day Trades on StockTwits and Twitter, and you are listening to my analysis of the Dow Jones Industrial Average charts, the SPX, the S&P 500, that is, and the Nasdaq 100, which is the NDX. And this is my weekly outlook. You can watch it on my blog and also on voicethread.com besides YouTube if you'd like to go back to any of the previous ones that I have recorded there. Okay, let's take a look at the Dow Jones for this week. This is starting actually Monday evening for Tuesday, and as you know, Monday we had a bounce back up. However, this looks like just a halfway test, and I would question whether this will continue moving up. Certainly, this area right here is a strong support. However, it needs to really clear above here to be a little bit more of a certainty of a reversal and a breakout possibility here at the 523. So keep an eye on it. So, if we look at it further out, and that is looking at it here on the weekly chart, you can see that this pattern could continue back down and test this area still. And if we look at the monthly chart, it too is showing basically, oops, not a daily, a monthly I'm talking about. On the monthly chart, it looks like this is a kind of an indecision area for the month of March. Does not know which way it's going to turn at this point. So the decision could be made, of course, in the next couple of weeks before month's end. However, that's where we are at for the month of March, right here testing the February highs and also testing about the mid-range of the last 4 months, as you can see right there. Okay, that's the Dow Jones. Now let's take a look at the SPX, and I'll go back to the daily chart on that. And on the SPX, the S&P 500, this too looking like it's testing this halfway mark up, back up. It's not too different from the Dow Jones chart and the Nasdaq chart, actually. And usually this is not I should say this is not an unusual move for such a strong downdraft like we had, and this too can continue to move further up, watching this level right here, 1868 in that case. Below that, of course, we are still testing this region right now and watching this level for a breakout above that, as I said, on the 1868. On the pullback, of course, then we'll have to see how well it's supported here at the 1852 level, 1850s, and down further to the which is the 1850s really, and then down to back down to this region to see if it can hold one more time. On the Nasdaq, that's basically the same thing. Let's see if I can get to there first of all. NDX, okay, right here we have the same pattern really, and once again it's testing that region and pulling back down. This could very easily come back down to the 3652 in my opinion, and then watching the 3637. We'll have to see if it can hold the second time before coming further down to test the previous low. So this is all in the realm of the work. If I look at the monthly, you can see that we are still indecisive on this, not really that strong about keeping to the top, and more likely into the middle section of this channel and trend, which is really more like the weekly channel, as you can see right there. So it wouldn't be surprising to test one more time this level and then back down to the bottom channel trend line. Okay, then it's also SPX. I did not look at the weekly, and I'll go back to that. As you can see, this is a little bit stronger on the mid-level here, and certainly the 1825 would be the stronger test on this whole pattern. Okay, that's it then. Trade it well and carefully as always. Good luck in the markets and this week, and we'll talk to you again next week. Take care. Bye bye.